Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to design a custom footer for your WordPress website. As you can see, this is the footer of this particular website. Now, the problem of some of the footers in WordPress is that, like, depending on the template you are using, some of the footers, there are limitations on what you can edit. The customization and the editing and what you can remove and add, how you want to style it, sometimes there are limitations. So I want to show you exactly how to customize it the way you want it, how to build your footer from scratch, and then everything will look the way you want it. So this is how it is. So first of all, you'll come to your WordPress admin dashboard, and then you have to install this plugin. Okay. Let me just show you. Elementor header and footer. So if you don't have it, this is what you should do. You just click on, for those who don't know, you click on add new. Then you just paste it and then search for it. Good. So this is it. I have already installed and activated it. But if you haven't, you just click on install, then you activate it. Okay. Now, after that one is done, you come and click on appearance. Okay. Then you go to, you see Elementor header and footer builder. So click on it. Then you see add new. Okay. So click on add new. Then just skip this one. Okay, so you'll be asked to indicate a title. So the title, write footer. Okay, so footer, and then you'll be asked type of template. Come here, and then so the type of template should be what is footer. Then display, the display should be on the entire website. Then let me just come here. For the user rules, select all users, and then when you are done, you click on publish. You click on publish. Okay. Now we have created a custom footer block. Now we have to now design it. So to design it, you come and click on what? Edit with Elementor. So this is it. Now, first of all, let's choose how the layout will look like. So you click on the plus icon here. Then we have two. This one is Flexbox, and then the grid. Okay, so you click on the plus, then you'll be asked to choose either Flexbox or the grid. I'm going by this one. And then you'll be asked to choose the layout option. So we have about 3. So I want to go with the third one, this particular one, the one with the 3-column structure. So this is how it looks like. So here, for an example, the middle one, I want to add an image to it. Okay. So this one will allow me to add my logo. So I'm adding my logo. Good. So I've added my logo, but the size is too big. I want to reduce it. So just come here. And reduce it to small. This is medium. No, let me just leave that. Yeah, so this is okay for me. Or alternatively, you can click on the style and then you come to the width. See, you can adjust it to be how large or small you want it to be. Okay. Then I want to add a text editor so that I can add text below here. So I'll click here, and then go to this particular one, add text editor. So I'm adding the text editor here. Good. So I've added a text editor. So just add a short description of my site. I've added the text, a short description of the website. Let me just add something. Okay. So initially the font size was too big, but what I had to do is I just copied it to Microsoft Word and then adjusted it to the size I want. Just copy it and come back and put it there. And then it's up to the size exactly I want. Okay. So I also want to add something here. Let me just I also want to add the socials here. So just come here, then type socials. So the social icons. And then put it there. You can decide how the shapes should be, if you want it to be square or if you want it to be what? Rounded. Yeah. Okay, so this is how I want them to be. Then also here, you can add the navigation menu. Okay, so adding the navigation menu here. Just come here again and type navigation. So I've added a navigation menu. Then I will also add the contact details. Now, if you look, you see that the menu items, they are actually, if you look at the way they are here, they are looking, the layout is horizontal. So you can come to the layout here and then you come here and then choose what? Choose vertical. Good. So it will be in the vertical position. And then you come to the menu we have the main menu, this one. We actually want the footer menu. But the footer menu is not being shown. We can create it. Then let me check quick links. Yeah, quick links are usually the policy, terms of service, credits, and then all that. We can also decide to just create the footer menu there. Now, if you want to create or customize a footer menu, or if you don't have the footer menu and you want to create and customize it, you just come to the WordPress admin dashboard. Then you come to the appearance. Then you go to menus. Then under menus, then you look at the top, you see select menu to edit or create new menu. So you click on create new menu. Okay. So when you are to create new menu, they will ask you what menu you want. So I'm naming it footer menu. Okay. So footer menu. Then now, if you were creating a header menu, you should select the location as primary. But this one is not a primary a header menu. This is a footer. So just go ahead and click on create menu. Okay. So the menu has been created successfully. Now you see add menu items. So you will now decide which particular pages on your website you want to add. So I'll click on the contact us, I'll click on the services, then the about, and then yeah. So these are basically contact us, about us, and then our services. So I'm adding them to the menu. So add to menu. So as you can see, they have been added. If I want to add other items, I'll just have to come here and select and then add them. Then you click on save menu. Okay. So we now have our footer menu. Okay. So we come back here. So if we click here, you see main menu. Because I haven't refreshed it, it may not update, but if I refresh it, it is going to update. So first of all, I want to update it and then refresh it so that the new menu I've created will come. So I'm just going to refresh it now. Now, after refreshing it, if I come here, if you click on this, you see that footer menu has now come. So I've selected it. So you see the footer menu is now appearing, contact us, services, and then about us. Okay. And we have to add a header for this particular section, this part. So I'll just bring a header in here. So I'll make it, I'll just name it quick links. Quick links. Yeah, quick links. And then it seems the size is also too big. So I'll come here and then select it. Currently it's H2. I'll make it H3 so that I'll reduce it a bit, the size. Okay, so then I will now come to this particular section. So under this section, I want to add, let me just show you. I want to add icon list. So I'll add this one here. Then I also want to add a header to it. So good. So the header, I will label it contact. Contact. Then the item list, let's now go to each of them. So item 1. So the first one, that's the one at the top. I want to make it the location. So I'll just come to the icon library and choose map. So this is the map icon. I will set it. So I'll now put the location. So the location is Ontario, Canada. Then I'll go to the second one. Okay. Let me just copy the number. So the second one, I'll just go and choose the library. So icon library, phone. So choose any of them. I want to choose this one. So insert. Then the third one, I want to choose email. So you just go to the icon library and choose email. With the word email, I'm not getting the email icon. So I will just leave it to mail. Good. So this one, I've got the mail icon. I'm inserting it. Then I'll then copy the email itself. So I'm just putting the email. And so now I have the contact details, the location, the phone number, and the email, and then the socials. Everything is now, this is a custom design, very nice footer. Then you can customize it to any way you want it. So I will now click on update. Now let's go to my site and view how it looks like. This is the old one. This is the old one that was there. Okay. So I want to just refresh it and we see how the new one will look like. So you see how the new one looks like. You see that this looks really custom made and then very nice the way we want it. Now let me come back and show you something. One last thing, we have to add a copyright section. So you come and then click on the plus, click on this, then choose this one. Then come to this, type copyright, then drag it and drop it here. So as you can see, so copyright this, then powered by. So you can just, you click on it. You can come and then even center align it. So it's at the center now. And then you can edit it too. When you want to edit it, you come to the content. For here, so this one, for example, as you can see, there is a short code here. And this one, the current year, don't edit that particular aspect because when you leave it every year, it will update the year to the current year. Yeah. So this particular one, if you want to customize it depending on which particular company you want to, maybe powered by. If you can actually put a powered by as a company name or maybe the web developers company. So in that case, you have to edit here and put your company name and then customize it as such and update it. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video. This actually gives you a better way to customize your footer to look very professional. If you follow this and you are having any problem, leave your comments in the comments section. I'll follow up to help you. You can also follow the WhatsApp and Telegram link in the description of this video to contact me for help, and I'll really help you get a solution to this. But I charge for those premium services. Thank you and see you in the next video.